Hey. Which way was it? I don't know.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay.
Where's the... Oh, okay.
Hi.
So, today, we are giving Jeffrey a bath. But first, we are playing with yellow wall dolls. So, let me fill up the bathtub. 1 second. I want to clean it first. Well, okay. Do you want them to bathe first, or do you want Jeffrey? 1 second. I was just getting all the dirt out of it. So
I'm just gonna use.
Don't do it. I was getting all the dirt out of it. Now they're dirty. Fallon.
This is fun times. Our name should be Fun Times with Fallon and Scarlet.
Fun times with Fallon and Scarlet. Fun times with Fallon. What the heck? You blew everything. Milky Way hasn't used that yet. It's fine. Or has he? I don't know. What did you do? What did you do? But wait. Don't put it back in the water. Dry it off first. What the heck is wrong with you?
Okay.
What the heck? Oh, no. Wait, she's back in the kitty litter? No, she's not. She's in a harder place to reach.
Oh no.
I told you it's funner in the bathroom. You didn't believe me.
Oh my gosh.
Why does Jeffrey pee so much?
We good. We'll just do it.
Look what I found. And with his elbows.
Guys,
Oh, look, there's more poop right there.
You are not okay. Please sit down. I'm gonna go put these away.
Help, Fallon, you better help me.
I'm going to. I'm putting this away.
Don't put it away, Fallon. Okay. Bye, guys. We are going to clean this up. And, Okay, bye, guys. Bye. Just goodbye.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It took me a long time to edit it, and yeah, so if you want me to post another video like that of like what me and Fallon used to film, then I will. So just comment in and like this video. Bye.